Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a lovely day. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I am so excited because we're going to be talking about the what if visualizations. And I love what if visualizations so much. I think I've kind of talked about it a couple times on the channel, but I always love revisiting and always talking about these visualization techniques on the channel because they're very gentle yet super powerful to invite your desires and the messages that you've been longing for right into your life. It's almost like you are whispering your wishes into the universe's ear, being like, hey, I would love like $1,000 today, or I'd love to get my message from my text message from my civic person. Although it's very gentle, it's very fun, it's very calm, and it also has a lot of positive vibes, a lot of positive thoughts that will help basically turn them into reality. So whatever you're really desiring right now, you're going to be like kind of whispering it into the universe's ear by using a what if statement, and it's like a visualization in combination with those two things, and you're going to be turning them into reality. So we don't need to stress or doubt. We're going to just let them melt away as we embark on this journey together. And instead of anxiously waiting and thinking, is my text message going to be received today? Am I going to get a message from a specific person? You may have connected with your SP just a little bit, but you are always super excited to get text messages from them. But the text message has been kind of quite slow. The communication's been a little, shaky, but you're always super excited when you get those messages from them. But while you're waiting for those messages, you're always like constantly waiting and thinking about them. And we want to kind of get rid of that anxiousness, those emotions. We want to shift our mindset to a place of endless possibilities and really ask yourself, what if my cherished message lands in my inbox today? What if I received my text message from my civic person very fast? What if there was a lot of great communication between me and my SP today? Really allow yourself to bask in the warmth and joy of that thought and making it as real and comforting as possible. And this approach really helps us kind of sidestep any inner skepticism or fear or doubt, and really opening our hearts to the universe's endless possibilities. And it's like sending out a cozy invitation for your desires to find their way to you, wrapped in the most softest, most inviting vibes, which is honestly the best way to go about manifestation ever. Before we jump right into today's adventure, let's get cozy and open our hearts up wide. Whether it's a message filled with love, an apology that we seek or that we want to mend, thrilling news, or healing family ties, come with an open spirit and open mind. Let's immerse ourselves in the positivity and let the good energy come over us. And if you're curious to dive deeper into the world of love and manifestation, take a moment to visit my website, manifestingmasterymindset.com. There you'll discover my brand new course called Kyle's VIP Love Course. And people have already experienced what they were desiring with their specific person, whether it is in contact with them, more contact with them, text messages from them, getting your SP absolutely obsessed with you. This course is your gateway to attracting the love you truly deserve, and I want you to have so much. Plus, I have essential tools like journals and planners to guide your journey. Additionally, I'm giving you 2 freebies to amplify your manifestation powers: a cheat sheet guide with my best tips and tricks, and a special meditation audio for attracting your specific person. You can find all these goodies and more through the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe and connect with me on social media for endless inspiration and tips to make your dream love life a reality. Okay, let's start this amazing visualization. Imagine getting that text you've been waiting for in the next hour. Imagine the person you want to hear from is thinking about you right now, this second. What if your phone started lighting up with messages faster than you can keep up? Like it's just coming at you like super fast and you have a hard time keeping up with it. Imagine having to mute your phone because the notifications just won't stop blowing up your phone. Think about how your life would change for the better once you get that text message? What if the one text starts a flurry of back and forth conversations and now they're eagerly awaiting for your replies? Picture yourself achieving new dreams now that you've conquered this one. Think about sharing your joy with everyone, bursting with happiness because you received that special message from your specific person. What if, out of the blue, they send you a message saying they miss your conversations? Imagine the warmth filling your heart. What if they send you a text late at night saying they can't stop thinking about a fun memory you shared together? Picture the smile spreading across your face. What if they apologize for being distant and express a desire to catch up over coffee or over dinner? Think about the anticipation of reconnection. What if they share a joke or a meme that's an inside joke between the two of you, reigniting the playful side of your connection? Imagine the laughter and the immediate ease you feel. What if, after a busy day, your phone pings with messages from them asking how your day was, showing that they care about you? Visualize the comfort in knowing someone is thinking about you. What if they surprise you by initiating plans to meet up, showing that they want to spend time with you? Think about the excitement of planning something fun together. What if they text you first in the morning with a good morning message, making you feel so special and thought of right at the start of your day? Picture the perfect start to your day. Let these what if scenarios fill you with positivity and hope, painting a vivid picture of all these wonderful possibilities awaiting for you. Yeah, let's just have fun with this idea. You could always replay this video or come up with your own what if statements. Focus on the good stuff, not the worries, not the doubts. Don't let the logical mind get in the way, because that is our worst critic. The ego really is trying to protect you, but it really gets in the way of your greatest desires, and it's getting in the way of all your manifestations, because it's always like, well, it's not here yet, it's not here yet. Whereas we're trying to really somewhat ignore the 3D reality of your circumstances, because we can always change it. And the what if statements really change your circumstances, because right now, the circumstance right now is that you're not receiving a text message from your specific person. So we're going to change that. We're going to really revise those circumstances, change them for the better, change them for that will be in benefit to us with these what if statements. We're going to focus on the good, not the worry. This way you'll feel very amazing inside. You'll feel lined up with getting that text message. Your vibration will be high, which means that basically your energy is high, you feel good, you'll feel more connected with your desires. And trust me when I say this, that manifestation and all the manifestations I received every single day, they come in the most craziest ways, and it's the most unexpected ways, because the universe always says yes to your desires. Whether, and manifestation always be good or bad things, we always try to think manifestation as good things, what we want to manifest in our dreams, but we are always also manifesting the bad things by going down the negative path, the path, or getting our limiting beliefs to get in the way of our desires. So we can really we can always change everything for our better. We are the creator of our own destiny, our own reality, and these what if statements are really going to help turn around that negative circumstance that is playing, and that story that's being played in your mind about your SP's not texting you, they're very hot and cold, there are a lot of different things right now, and they're not very consistent, they're not very committed to you, they're not really contacting you as much, it's a bit rocky, a little shaky. Well, these what if statements can really help you change that for the better. And so I just listed a couple examples in this video of what if statements. You can always revisit it if you like, but you can also come up with your own what if statements as well. Have fun with it, like I said. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you have any questions for me about law of attraction, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Bye!